Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a Google Pixel 6a. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here we want to search for Firefox. Now let's select this app, install it. Now after installation process is done, you should be able to open it. Here you'll be able to also customize it, so choose your theme, pick a toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize Firefox between other devices, and read the privacy notice. When everything is done, let's click on Start Browsing. Here we also can set the Firefox as a default browser. And now let's just open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.